As the sun peaks above the horizon, casting its warm golden rays across the endless ocean, a magnificent vessel emerges in the distance, commanding attention with its sheer size and captivating allure. But this is not your ordinary run-of-the-mill cruise ship. Feast your eyes upon the wonder of the seas, a true titan of the sea, and the grandest ship ever to sail the seven seas. In a world where cruise ship companies are locked in a fierce battle for supremacy, pushing the boundaries of innovation, we find ourselves in awe of the wonder of the seas. With a staggering gross tonnage surpassing 236,000, it stands as a testament to human ingenuity, defying the limits of what we thought possible. This oceanic behemoth claimed its rightful title as the largest cruise ship in the world back in January 2022, leaving all contenders in its wake. And let me tell you folks, it's not just about its size, it's about the engineering marvel that lies beneath the surface. So, without further ado, let's set sail on a once-in-a-lifetime adventure that will leave you breathless and longing for more. Hello everyone and welcome to Wanderlust. In this video, we'll go on a brief exploration of the wonder of the seas. But before we begin, we'd like you guys to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on amazing and entertaining content. This floating beauty is the 5th Oasis-class cruise ship. Although based on the same design as her siblings, this ship stands out with several upgrades that make her truly exceptional. In fact, the Wonder of the Seas is not only the largest Oasis-class ship in the world, but also the flagship vessel of the company, costing a whopping $1.35 billion to build. Let me give you a few numbers to put things into perspective. This stunning ship is 1,187 feet and 10 inches long, with a maximum beam of 210 feet, and it's divided into a whopping 18 decks with 16 designated for guests. The Wonder of the Seas boasts a gross tonnage of 236,857 and can accommodate up to 6,988 passengers and 2,300 crew members. That's right, you heard me correctly. It's virtually like a whole city on water. Now, let us delve into the marvelous engineering that propels this behemoth. The Wonder of the Seas is propelled by 6 marine diesel sets, diligently supplying the ship with all the energy required for its onboard systems. Complemented by 3 azimuth thruster ports and 4 bell thrusters, this magnificent vessel glides through the waters at a cruising speed of 22 knots, equivalent to an impressive 25 miles per hour. But let me tell you, this ship isn't just impressive for its size and speed. The Wonder of the Seas has an abundance of activities for guests to enjoy, both on board and while traveling between destinations. It truly is a virtual floating city, and you won't be short of things to do or see. This majestic ship may have a capacity for almost 7,000 passengers, but the designers have left no stone unturned in ensuring that there's always something to keep everyone entertained. With 16 guest decks, you'll find yourself spoilt for choice when it comes to dining options. There are a whopping 26 restaurants to choose from, serving up everything from Southern-inspired delicacies at the Mason Jar Southern Restaurant and Bar to Mexican, Italian, French cuisine, and many more. And if you're in the mood for a drink, fear not, as there are 15 bars and lounges, each with its own unique vibe. One of them even has cocktails mixed and served by robots. But wait, there's more! Swimming is a major part of life on the Wonder of the Seas, and you'll be delighted to know that there are 19 different pools to choose from. Some are tucked away from the main crowds and offer a calm, relaxing environment, while others are at the center of the action and feature water slides, a splash park for kids, a flow rider surf simulator, and plenty of smaller jacuzzis and whirlpools. And if that's not enough to get your heart racing, you can also indulge in further exercise and outdoor pursuits via a fully equipped gym and a running track on the top deck. For all you sports enthusiasts out there, the Wonder of the Seas has an outdoor sports court where you can play basketball and volleyball, as well as a permanent indoor ice rink. If you're feeling adventurous, There are also 2 climbing walls to accommodate guests of all experience levels, a mini golf course, a bowling alley, a zip line, and so much more. But for those of you who prefer a more laid-back vibe, don't worry, the Wonder of the Seas has got you covered too. If you're an adult looking to get away from it all, the solarium is the perfect escape. This tranquil space is fully enclosed and climate-controlled, making it the perfect place to unwind and relax in hot tubs, a small pool, and plenty of comfortable lounge chairs, no matter what the weather outside is like. And let's not forget that it's not all about the physical activities. There's something for everyone on board the Wonder of the Seas. Broadway-style shows are performed twice daily in the 1,000-seater Royal Theatre. You can catch Voices, which combines vocal, musical, and dance performances, or The Effectors 2, a superhero story told through state-of-the-art technology. Music lovers will also be spoilt for choice, with musicians from different genres playing in the music hall, schooner bar, and pub. Kids are not left out either, with a dedicated kids club area that includes an arcade, a puzzle break center, a karaoke club, and a carousel in the boardwalk section. For adults, there's the Red Carpet Casino Royale experience, a more relaxed gaming experience at the 24-hour card room, and an onboard art gallery. The Playmakers Sports Bar and Arcade cater to those who want to watch sports and play games. One of the most unique parts of the ship is the Central Park, inspired by the park in New York City. It boasts more than 10,000 plants, coffee shops, and entertainers, making it a great place to unwind. The ship is so massive that everything has been arranged into 8 neighborhoods to make it easy for guests to find their way around. With an endless array of dining, drinking, and swimming options, along with ample opportunities for exercise and outdoor pursuits, you are sure to have a blast on board. As I mentioned earlier, the Wonder of the Seas is truly a ship that has something for everyone, and that includes a wide variety of cabin options to suit different budgets and preferences. Whether you're looking for an entry-level interior cabin with a virtual balcony, or a luxurious suite with all the bells and whistles, Royal Caribbean has you covered. If you're looking for a room with a view, there are plenty of options to choose from. Balcony rooms offer stunning views of the ocean, while others overlook the Central Park or the Aqua Theater. And for those who want to take things to the next level, the suites are the ultimate in luxury, with private whirlpools, master bedrooms, dining areas, and room for up to 8 people. Plus, suite guests have access to exclusive parts of the ship and a 24-hour concierge service. Families also have plenty of options when it comes to accommodations, including the Ultimate Family Suite, which features air hockey, table tennis, video game consoles, and even a slide from the top to the ground floor. Whatever your budget or preference, you'll find a comfortable and welcoming space to call your own on the Wonder of the Seas. Of course, with so many amazing attractions and activities on board, you'll probably be spending more time outside your cabin than in it. But it's always nice to have a cozy and private retreat to come back to at the end of a long day of fun and adventure. Initially planned to sail in Asia, the Wonder made its debut at Port Everglades in Florida, where it traveled through the beautiful Caribbean islands. Then, in the summer, it sailed to the Mediterranean, docking in Barcelona and Rome, enchanting passengers with the beauty of the region. In late 2022, the Wonder returned to Florida before heading back to Asia in early 2023, finally serving the routes it was originally planned for. Thank you for watching our video on the Wonders of the Sea. We hope you found this information useful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below.